been a while. Winter is over. We're finally arriving at spring. It is March 18th, 2022. I'm in the Shenandoah National Park. We're out here for our first hike of the season. It's been a rough winter. I didn't really go hiking much. It was just cold and gloomy and just not a lot of motivation. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So let's go see what we can find. So far the trail is pretty rocky and a little muddy. Overall, it's a good trail. This is already epic. Wow. Let's go! Magical. All right, so I just passed the waterfall from up above. There's a couple lookouts, but I'm gonna keep this suspense going and wait until I get down to the base of it to show it on here. And then on the way back, I'll probably go check out the overlooks. Right now, I'm headed to the base of the waterfall. So far, it's been good. Wow. We made it, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Check it out. Time to move on. Had a little snack, had a little rest. Now it's time to go. Now y'all didn't think I was gonna come all the way here and not go for a swim, right? It's time to find a swimming hole. Felt so good. It was cold, but it was good. All right, back on the trail after that epic swim. That is what I live for. I'm gonna go back the way I came and check out all the overlooks that I didn't see on the way down to the waterfall. After that, I'll probably put the camera down and just hightail it back to the truck and just enjoy this weather, this trail. Let's go check out the overlooks. That was the overlooks. Not the best views, but pretty good if you can't make it all the way down to the base of the waterfall. I would imagine in summer when all the leaves are full. There's probably not much of a view. Made it back. I went up that thing fast, past a lot of people. As you can see, the parking lot is full. It's about 12:30 now. Good rule of thumb for me is hit the trail by 8:30, 9 o'clock. By the time you're going up, most people are just heading down. Felt nice to get out, get on the trail. My watch says just over 5.5 miles. I did a little extra. I think All Trails says 4.6 miles. It was a good hike. It's been a good day. It's time to go home. See you on the next one. Peace.
That's ISO. Rack it up. I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up. She got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up. I got some gas, some